Welcome to Whitlock Garage, where we're united by trucks. Today, we're back in Tennessee. Yeah, we find a lot of trucks in Tennessee, but we're gonna be digging out a 51 AD short bed truck that I think is an old hot rodder's dream. We recently got the opportunity, thanks to our buddy Chris Cochran, to come up to Tennessee and take a look at a truck up near Watts Bar Lake. We are super pumped to open these doors and see what's in here. We know it's a 51 AD truck. We know it's had some body mods, might even be on a different chassis, but the truck's been sitting in this barn for about 13 years. But we're pretty jacked to get this thing on the trailer, take it back to Georgia. We're gonna drop it off at the truck farm for now, get a plan together, and decide what we're gonna do with it. So y'all stay tuned for this rescue of this 1951 AD truck.
You got it.
I couldn't tell with all the bushes where I was going.
I know. He was supposed to come in here and clean all this out more.
We got her in here, that's the main thing.
Heck yeah. John, what do you think about this place?
I'm anxious to see what's inside.
Me too. I think I know what's in here that we're after, but
I want to see the rest.
it's not our typical breed of vehicle, but it's something cool.
I see Mustangs laying around, so it's got to be cool stuff.
Yeah, there's definitely that. So we're here with Nathan Campbell, the owner of this truck and these cars. We're here checking out this 51. Obviously, we're about to dig this thing out, get it on the trailer, and take it back to Georgia. We're up in Tennessee right now, so this is something we didn't actually expect when we got the call to come up here and do this. So Nathan, tell us a little bit about what we're looking at as far as the truck goes, and then tell us about all the other stuff.
Absolutely. Well, I know it's a 1951 5 window. I know it's been chopped. My father bought it in 2006 from a little old black lady in Douglasville, Georgia. Her grandfather had it for a long time, did all the work to it. It never ran for him. Dad bought it we've been Ford guys forever. So yeah. Dad bought it, and I asked him, I said, what am I supposed to do with that? And he says, well, we'll figure it out, you know.
Yeah. How long ago was it that your dad bought it?
He bought it in the summer of 2006.
Okay. Wow. So it's been up here for the better part of, what, 13 years?
Yeah, it's been right here, because I mean, we rented a U-Haul trailer and had to put a winch on the front of it to get out of her garage. Yeah. And then I backed it up here and pushed it in here, and
been there ever since.
And there she sits. Yeah.
That's cool. Well, there's some other stuff in this garage that is also cool that I think viewers of this channel might like to know about. What are the other cars in here?
Well, we got a 1955 Ford T-Bird, and that was my father's, and he bought that. Oh gosh, he's had that for a long time.
That's cool.
And it used to be candy apple red, and then got into an accident, had some work done to it. Then after that, it was never restored.
How long do you think it's been sitting there?
Oh gosh, probably 25 years.
Wow.
Yeah, I'd say a good 25.
Yeah.
Another Mustang over there in the shadows. I'm not sure exactly. It's a coupe. I'm not sure exactly what year it is.
Gotta love that.
And you got a convertible 66 over here in the shadows. That's one of ours, and it's aqua exterior, black interior with black convertible top.
Sweet. That sounds like a really cool car.
And you got miscellaneous Model A, Model T parts, and Mustang parts, and stuff that my grandfather acquired over his career. Yeah. You know, and he used to build Model A's and Model T's from scratch.
Man.
It's one of the things they enjoy doing.
That's really, really cool. Well, thanks for letting us come in and rescue this truck.
Absolutely.
And I think it's going to give you some motivation to work on this Mustang of yours over here, right?
Well, I got another one at home that's going to get worked on first.
I hear that.
It will. It'll motivate me for sure. Yeah. watching the progress on it's going to be fun. Knowing that I have history with it. It's gonna be really cool.
Well, and you have this video to go back and watch too. To know
Absolutely,
that, the rescue's the fun part to us.
Well, I mean, and you come to a barn find, and you never know what you're gonna get when you open the door. And
yeah, we got a special treat today. This is cool. I think this is some old sort of hot rodding type history. I mean, obviously they chopped the 5 window.
Sure.
And I think it's on a modern chassis. I'm not even sure that's that's the original AD chassis. It's already been converted to 5 lug all the way around, so that leads me to believe it's definitely had some work done.
Yeah.
Chassis wise, but I think it's really cool, man. We're gonna get it out here.
Yeah, I mean it'll be neat seeing it finished. I'll tell you that much.
We're gonna get it out here in the light and take a look at it. So
absolutely.
Let's jump on that.
I got him turned a little bit.
Let's try it.
Let's see. You think we get in there and push that front end over?
I think we're gonna have to try.
All right.
All be on that side?
Yeah.
Okay.
I see no way we're gonna be able to pull it like that.
And it's not heavy.
Hold on. Body parts back there.
That might be enough to clear it. The more we pull, the more it's going to go that way.
If I can cut the wheels just a little bit more.
Try that. Let me
If we
get
can
believe it will.
close to that edge, we can
bump it again or try
drop it
to.
again a little bit if we need to.
Is that a Chevelle? Steering wheel?
That'd be
A
a
Monte
later-
Carlo?
a way later model.
It could be Monte Carlo or Chevelle.
Try it again. See watch that side over there.
Oh yeah.
Oh, yeah.
All right, now I'll straighten up the wheels. Hang on.
All right, let's try that. Let's see where that gets us. 1, 2, 3.
Alright, yeah.
Do it one more time.
One more time.
1, 2, 3.
There you go.
Much better.
We dug out this 51 hot rodded up, or at least attempted to be hot rodded up AD truck. We're obviously going to try to take it to the next level. This is going to be a long-term project, but really appreciate you tuning in. We think this thing is super duper cool. Obviously it's a 5 window that's been chopped. It's actually a pretty quality chop, and the frame and chassis has already been modified. So it's got independent front suspension up front. It's 5 lug all the way around. What you think about this cool little find?
I like it.
Me too.
I can't wait to see what we do with it.
I know. What do you think we got to do with it?
Just play with it and see what happens.
Appreciate you tuning into Whitlock Garage today. If you have not subscribed to the channel, please consider doing so. Definitely hit the thumbs up button if you like this video, and leave a comment. Let us know what you think about this dugout 51 AD truck. We got it straight out of this shed here up in Tennessee. Been here for 13 years. Just a really, really cool adventure, and we're glad to bring the content to you. If you haven't yet, please head over to unitedbytrucks.com. Grab you a t-shirt, grab you a hat, grab you a decal. We got some stuff thrown up on the website there with more coming soon if it's already sold out. So appreciate you tuning in. We'll catch you next time on Whitlock Garage. Rolling home from picking up the AD truck, and we ride by and see this Big 10 Bonanza square body in a killer color combination. Long bed, but man, what a cool truck. John is looking up the number on the fence now because there's like some tractors and all sorts of stuff in here for sale. But that right there is cool enough to call about. Cue the music.